Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I made this um Ankara wall art using these colorful piece of fabrics, my scrap of fabrics. But first let's iron the piece of fabric so that it's not going to look rumpled. I want it to look well ironed and flat. So these are the beautiful scrap fabrics I'll be using. So you don't need to throw away your scrap fabrics. You can use it to make something like this. So if you're interested, just keep watching. And these are the cartons I'll be using. All right, you would need some cartons. These are noodles cartons that I cut them out into this shape that I want. So the shape and the size depends on what you want, depends on your preference. So you'll be cutting a pair, like two of each. You'll be needing two of each of the shapes. All right, so this one measures 10 inches by 13 inches. All right, so the size, just like I said, and the shape depends on your preference. So you'll be cutting two of each of this piece. All right, so you would get your piece of fabric and then you would put this one on it. So you have to cut like about 1.5 to 4 inches excess of the, I don't know if you understand what I mean, like sewing, like just like an allowance, so that you fold it in like this. All right, so the main fabric should be bigger than the carton itself. 2 inches to 4 inches is okay, so that you would have something to fold in. All right, so you would place your carton at the middle, make sure it's at the middle and everything is equal, all the sides are equal. So here I had about 3 inches extra. All right, so from 2 to 3 to 4 is just fine. That is if you have enough of the scrap. It depends on how much you have. So you're going to apply your gum on the carton. So here is my gum. I just poured it into this place. So you can use any glue of your choice. You can use a top bond, that is that white bond, white glue. But this one is also good as long as it can it's a good adhesive, like it can hold your Ankara to the carton, then you can use it. So you're going to put the glue like this on the edge of the carton and then just be a little bit generous with it. All right, just make sure you put the glue well, and then you're going to fold the Ankara over like this. So you fold all the ends, just apply glue where necessary. So just fold it over like this. Make sure you're folding it very well so that there won't be space or on the front. Yeah, just like this, so that it lays very flat like this. So I'll do the same for the round shape. So I'll place my carton at the middle and apply my glue, and then fold the fabric over to the glue side like I did the first one. Okay, I also do the same for the third one. All right, so here is what I have. Okay, this is what I have. So now we'll be covering this back. All right, we don't have to leave it rough like this. That's why I said you cut two of each of the shapes. All right, so you'll be using one to cover the back like this. Okay, and it will also make it stiffer or thicker. All right, so you just put your glue on any sides, actually any side you want to be facing the inside. Just apply your glue and then you use it and cover the back. Yes, this is what we are trying to achieve. It will make it look, to make it feel thicker. So what I want to do now is to cut out the rough edges. Just cut it out so it's neat. So I'll do the same thing for the two piece. So here I was trying to manage my carton because I didn't have enough. All right, that's why I have two piece for each of them. But you don't have to have it like this if you have enough carton. But since it fits, I'm just going to manage it like that and just place it over on the, use it and cover the back of this one. So I'll just put my glue on it and use it. All right, so I'm just trying to remove the sellotape there so that my glue stays put. Do the same for the other one. So if you have enough carton, all right, you just cut out the exact shape. You don't have to join like I am doing. This is just managing because I didn't have enough carton. All right, so I'm done. I'm also going to cut out the rough edges on the sides so that it looks nice and neat. So here is what I have. This is what it looks like. So you can now go ahead and glue this to your wall. All right, and voila, that's all. It's really simple. It's a simple DIY. You can just do it and decorate your wall area or your video area, especially if you sew from home. Okay, like now I'm trying to put it on my wall right here. But guys, I'm confused. Help me choose. Do you think this is better? Which is better, this or this? Please let me choose. Just tell me which is better on the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Just give me a suggestion on which is better on the comment section. Thank you.